Hey, Gary Baker here with you from 30minutemarketing.net. Today's quick video, we're going to talk about how to make money with affiliate marketing using WarriorPlus, GroovePages, and tracking links. And to do that, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to do it, as well as the strategy that I use. And if you're interested in that strategy, there's a link in the description. You can click on that link, enter your email address, and in 2 clicks, you can access that free traffic strategy and get started today. But for now, let's hop on the computer and let me walk you through exactly how this is done with WarriorPlus. So here we are in a nice little diagram, and of course we have your audience, and your audience is on YouTube, but you've also built an email list and you have an audience there as well. So you're gonna be driving traffic from your YouTube over to your bonus page that you're gonna create on GroovePages, which I'm gonna show you here in a minute. But you're also gonna be sending emails to your audience, and your audience is gonna be clicking on those emails coming over to your bonus page on GroovePages. And that's going to come over to the WarriorPlus offer sales page. So how do you know if your traffic came from YouTube or if your traffic came from email? That's where tracking links on WarriorPlus, as well as the ability to clone pages on GroovePages, is going to come into play. So let me show you exactly how that works, and we'll start with the tracking links over at WarriorPlus. So first things first, there is a help article over at WarriorPlus. Can I track sales from different traffic sources? The answer is yes. They explain how that works here. You can see here you can add a tracking code at the end of your affiliate link by utilizing this format right here. I'll leave a link, like I said, to this article. You should check that out. As with anything that I talk about here on the channel, you should always go to the source and double check exactly how they recommend to do it at the time you're setting it up. But let's pop into WarriorPlus and take a look at this. So when you're in WarriorPlus, you have your sales dashboard, then you can go to your affiliate and you can go to your offers. And when you bring up your offers, you can filter that over here even further down by going to offers that you've been approved for. And then you can see your offers right here that you've been approved for, and you simply click on Get Link. That brings up the link right there. And you're going to use this link right here, and just like they said in the help document, all you're going to do is add your tracking code to the end of your affiliate link. So now that we have our affiliate link, what we'll be doing is we'll be adding that affiliate link to the button on our bonus page on GroovePages. But what we're going to be doing now is cloning this GroovePage, this bonus page that we built in GroovePages. We're going to clone that. So just like I'm doing here, we're going to make a copy and paste that right here. So we're going to have 2 bonus pages, and we're going to, instead of sending the email to that bonus page, we're going to send it to the other bonus page, and then we're going to have that bonus page go back to the affiliate offer. So now when our traffic comes from YouTube, they'll go to this bonus page, which is hosted on GroovePages. And when they come from email, they'll go to this bonus page on GroovePages, and it'll all go back to the same WarriorPlus offer page, but with different tracking IDs attached to our WarriorPlus affiliate link. So let me show you what that looks like in GroovePages. So here we are in GrooveFunnels. Of course, if you don't have a GrooveFunnels account yet, go ahead, link in the description. Click on that link, grab your free account, and follow along. Then we'll pop into GroovePages. And when you get inside of GroovePages, what will happen is you'll be able to build out a new site. But in this case, we already have a site here built called Bonus Pages. And I'm just going to show you how this works. So this is a bonus pages I built. This is for a product called The Hive. And what I have here is a Buy Now button on this page. And this Buy Now button links to a URL, which you can see here is WarriorPlus. And you can see that's my affiliate link. And what I've done is added Hive bonus at the end. So in this case, Hive bonus will be my tracking ID for this link and this page. So that is the first page. Then what I'll do is just go under pages. You can see here I've made a copy of that page, which all I did was click this and type clone. You can see there now that page is cloned. If I was to go here, I would click this button again, configure that, change this again to Buy Now, and then I would redirect that to the URL again. Here I would put in my WarriorPlus affiliate link, and then I would put in my tracking ID here. That would create a new tracking ID, and in the example I showed you over on Funnelytics, now you have 2 pages. You have a page for your YouTube audience. So from YouTube to your bonus page on Groove over to the WarriorPlus affiliate offer sales page, or if you send your email audience over to a different bonus page, again, that one was cloned on GroovePages. They'll go over to the same offer, but there'll be a unique tracking ID, which you then can see inside your affiliate dashboard, and I'm going to show you that right now. So when you're inside your affiliate dashboard and you want to see the traffic and where they're coming from those traffic IDs on those multiple affiliate links that you're promoting from different sources, you'd go ahead and you just click More under Affiliate Daily Stats. That's going to open up. Then you could pick one of these, for example, whatever you're promoting. We'll use this as an example. Puzzle Book Mastery. It's a product that I promote here. You can see the tracking code right here. I'll go ahead and zoom in so you can see that. You can see that YouTube Puzzle Book Mastery Review tracking code. If I was to go up here and if I was to go to all time, you can see some more tracking codes here that I've applied to other pages. And you can see how easy it is now that I can go in here and I can tell where all of my hops are coming from, as well as the number of sales, as well as the hop conversions and some other details to include earnings. But you can see here I have Google Docs, I have YouTube Make Money Selling Puzzle Books. These are names of videos. I have emails. Some do better than others. Some I had promotions that didn't do anything. Others I can see I was more successful, for example, from my YouTube Puzzle Book Mastery Review. Of course, these tracking codes are unique to you. You make them up. They're whatever you want them to be, whatever makes sense for you and your promotions. So for example, in this case, if you have an audience on YouTube, you could simply use a tracking ID of YouTube. So then when they land on the sales page, click and make a purchase, it would have the tracking code of YouTube. If your email audience was clicking over to your bonus page on GroovePages, you would use a different tracking code, for example, email on your bonus page here. When they click, they'd come over to that same offer sales page, they would make a purchase, and you would see that tracking code of email. Again, you would see that right there in the tracking code inside of your affiliate dashboard once you drill in. And look at your affiliate daily stats here. That's where you find that detailed information. So it's really that simple to track exactly where your sales are coming from, depending on your traffic source. Just grab your affiliate link, come up with a tracking ID, add it to the end of that affiliate link, duplicate your GroovePages, add that same affiliate link with a new tracking code, check your affiliate dashboard, and you'll be able to see exactly where your sales are coming from. And if you'd like to know more about this exact strategy on how I drive free traffic, go ahead, click the link in the description for that step-by-step blueprint. You can get started with that in as simple as 2 clicks starting today. And if this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like the videos you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.